If you are tired of eating big fish and meat, try this. Try this hot and sour cabbage. Follow my method to make it crispy and refreshing. The meal is much more delicious than the big fish and meat. First, cut the Chinese cabbage in half, then cut it into thin strips of about 1 meter and heat the oil in a pot. Pat the dried garlic peppers and fry them on low heat to bring out the fragrance and then put them in. Fried cabbage and vegetables must remember to fry over high heat. Watery is not delicious at all. Stir-fry the cabbage until it is cooked and seasoned. Add a little salt and less sugar. A little light soy sauce, a little balsamic vinegar, a little oyster sauce. Continue to stir-fry evenly. Add a little scallion and stir-fry evenly over high heat. Is it very good to serve? Simple to do. The cabbage hot and sour is very delicious. I like it. Hurry up and do it too.